Ever arrived at a photo spot and had no idea what to shoot? Watch this video and that will never happen to you again. No wide lens, no long lens. The wind is a nightmare and nothing looks right. I've been there. This place was beautiful and still I was stuck. But here's how I got the shot. I put the tripod away, took the camera in my hands, walked, got low, searched for shapes, light and details. Step by step, the scene opened up. So let me show you how to make it work, even when nothing goes to plan.
Hello YouTube, I really hope you can hear me with this microphone, because this wind is just crazy strong. It's harsh as hell, like a hurricane. It feels like the very beginning of some storm. Today I found some new, unusual location for me. This is the ruins of old Catholic church in the middle of nowhere. I'm staying right now in the middle of the field. 360 degrees around me, as long as I can see, are the fields. So this is a pretty agricultural part of Vojvodina region in Serbia. And there are no villages around, just fields. And in the middle of that stays some amazing ruin of a very beautiful church.
Somewhere in the fields of northern Serbia, far from any village, stand the silent ruins of Aracha. What's left of a church once full of life, sound and stone-carved beauty. The first walls were raised in the 11th century, but the structure we see today, or what remains of it, was built around 1230, during a time when the Kingdom of Hungary ruled these lands. Aracha was more than a church. It was a center of settlement, a place of faith and protection, standing proud above the flat plains of the Banat. First, drop the tripod and move. Forget perfect stability for a moment. Handheld shooting gives you freedom. No wide lens, no telephoto, use your feet. Get closer, back up, change angles. The best gear you have is your movement.
This place is made for the drone photography. But unfortunately, at this wind, this hurricane, it's just impossible to fly a drone. All this beauty actually is not my type of photography. I'm not sure if I can find some beautiful shots like real architectural photographers do. But this place is just so beautiful, so unusual for me, that I just can't stop thinking about how to shoot all this beauty, how to find a point of view with this beautiful light today. As you can see and as you probably can hear, this wind is getting really crazy. But even if I can't fly a drone, I believe I still can shoot a very nice footage with Osmo Pocket 3.
2. Try weird angles. The kind you'd never shoot anywhere else. Get low, look up, shoot through grass or broken walls. Most of it won't work. And that's okay. Trying something unusual wakes up your creative brain. It's part of the process.
And probably later I'll find some interesting information about this church and I'll put it as a voiceover. So if I succeed, here it is.
In 1280, the church was attacked and destroyed. No one knows exactly who led the destruction. Some say it was internal conflict, others blame outside invaders. In 1370, Queen Elizabeth of Hungary ordered it rebuilt. A tall Gothic tower was added, a symbol of resilience and power. For a while, Aracha stood again, stronger than before. But history kept moving. Kings changed, wars swept across the land. By the 18th century, after the Ottoman withdrawal, the church was abandoned. left to the wind and the wild grass. Today only its bones remain, arches broken, stones scattered. But even in ruin, Aracha tells its story. And for those who come here with the camera or simply with curiosity, the silence still speaks.
I barely can stay against this wind. It's so crazy. I already took several shots walking around this church, getting lower to the grass and getting higher on the right hand. And now I have to take a shot with the sun shining through this arch. And there is no reason for the shot like this. I just love how it looks. And why not?
And 3. Give the place time. Walk around. Stay longer when you think you need to. This is what I couldn't do that day, and I regret it. If I stayed one more hour, I would have caught an incredible sunset. But I had to leave, and the shot was lost. Learn from my mistakes. Let this scene unfold.
I just saw a rabbit over here, a huge one, but he ran away before I have taken my camera. And I saw some predator birds. I don't know the exact name of the species of these birds, but probably they were looking for this rabbit. So I wish this rabbit all the luck. I have managed out to shoot some drone footage here. Unfortunately, no stills on drone because it was balancing all the time and it was hard to take a still image. So probably today's video is more about the scouting instead of landscape photography. But I really enjoyed this scouting operation. I'm not sure if you can see those storm clouds over here. That means I'm in trouble. I have to run away very quickly before the rain will start, because all these roads through the fields are the gravel roads where are no asphalt or concrete or something. So if the rain will start before I reach the normal road, I'm in trouble. So if you find this video at least a bit entertaining, please hit the like button, drop me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.